Hey y'all, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Jacqueline and this is Low Carb Lish. If you're new here, this is a channel where we make low carb versions of our favorite high carb foods. If you're a regular family, welcome back. I'm doing the giveaway video today, y'all, and I forgot to do a little notice to y'all while I wasn't there Saturday. Miss Macy sprained her shoulder running zoomies in the backyard or jumping off my bed. The vet's not exactly sure. But anyway, I had to take her to the doctor, and so I spent Saturday nursing her and trying to get her not to run around because her little leg, when she jumps and runs, it doesn't seem to bother her, but then right after she does that, she starts this limping thing. So they've got her on anti-inflammatory medication for 2 weeks, and I'm supposed to not let her zoomie, which, let me just tell y'all, in the backyard is a challenge. I think I may have to actually put her on her leash and take her out for a couple of weeks, because she gets out in the backyard and she just runs around like crazy. But she's in the floor laying next to me now because she went out this morning and did some zoomies, and now her little leg's bothering her. So she's had her medication, she's had her breakfast, so I was like, let me stop for a minute here and do this video. So that's what we're doing. So if you guys watched the last video with the banana bread, I told you guys that I was going to be doing a giveaway, so this is it. And if you didn't get to see that video, I'll leave a link up here. I'm not sure which side it'll show up on, but I'll leave a link to it so you can find it easily. And the video that we're doing today for the giveaway is this mug that I found, and I absolutely love this mug, y'all. It says, "Happiness is the way." And it's a really nice, substantial mug. And I'm also giving away a Loran banana cream flavoring bottle that is the flavoring that I use to make the banana bread. And one more surprise is I'm also giving you a $25 Amazon gift card, and that's so if you need to order any of the other stuff that is in the recipe that you can't find at your grocery store, you get a gift card to do that now too. So you guys know the drill. It's 3 exclamation points before your comment on this video, and that will let me know that you want to be entered. And let's see, today's Tuesday, so I will pick the winner. Let's see, probably next Tuesday, this coming Tuesday, I'll pick the winner, and we'll do a video about that and let you guys know who won. So anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic week. We love y'all so much, and we appreciate all of your love and support and comments and kindness and everything. And we will talk to you soon. You have a great day. Love you guys. Bye.